Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing and review of this case for Redmi Note 5 Pro from CaseU. So let me just quickly unbox it, which is a pretty simple process. So this is the case. Let me just remove that. Now let's have a quick physical overview and then insert the phone into the case. This is a slightly hard plastic case and on the back it has this nice texture. At the center we have this brushed aluminum finish and at the top and bottom we have this nice textured finish. It has cutouts for all the ports, camera module, fingerprint scanner, charging port, and at the top it even has the port for microphone and the IR blaster. Let me just insert the phone. By the way guys, I'll leave a link for this product in the description. Do check it out. So guys, this is how the phone looks with the case on. Now it has the cutouts for the fingerprint scanner and now I can easily trace the fingerprint scanner using the index finger. Earlier it was slightly hard, but now it feels more natural. Now the camera module is also well protected with a raised lip, and even on the front it has a slightly raised lip, so even if you put your phone directly on its face like this, your display will not get scratched. So that's a pretty good thing, but I still wish it was slightly more elevated. Now coming to the buttons, they are well elevated, but when I click them, I'm not getting any tactile feel from them. Now this is the plastic case that we get for free inside the box, and I had similar experience even with this plastic case. So guys, this phone weighs 181 grams without the case, and with this particular case it weighs 212 grams. Now with this plastic case it weighed around 204 grams. This phone felt slightly heavier even without the case, and with this particular case on, it doesn't feel all that heavy. As you have seen, it just weighs around 212 grams and that's pretty manageable. On the whole, this case can give you a nice grip, protect your phone from scratches, but as this is a normal single layered case, don't expect too much in terms of drop protection. So if you're looking for some drop protection, you have to use something like a hybrid case like this. By the way, this is a case I'm using for Redmi Note 5. I'll leave links for both these cases in the description. Definitely check them out. Even the Redmi Note 5 weighs 180 grams, so let's check the weight with the hybrid case. So with the case on, it weighs almost 230 grams, which is definitely quite heavy. And as you can see, even in terms of thickness, it feels way bulky. So if you want some drop protection, you have to definitely go with something pretty heavy like this. And if you want something sleek, you can definitely go with this case from CaseU. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're planning to buy the Note 5 or the Note 5 Pro, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.